Good morning, sixth grade. All right, it's time to get off the video games for a little bit. Come do some math. It's pretty fun, I promise. Let me show you what we are doing today. I'm going to share my screen here with you. Okay, today we're going to do this skill right here. Solve one-step equations with whole numbers. So let me pull this up and do a couple with you. All right, so let's look at this one. So we got, I'm going to see if I can zoom in here. We need to solve for m. So m divided by 8 equals 10. That is what it is saying. We need to find out what m is going to be. So the thing about algebra you need to remember, and I know we've talked about this in class, is it's just like balancing a scale. So if we have m divided by 8 equals 10, we need to find out what m is. Just like they did over here, we need to get m all by itself. M all by itself. So right now it says m divided by 8. To get rid of this 8, we need to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication, right? So we're going to multiply this side by 8, but it's a scale. So if you do something on the left side, you have to do it on the right side. So we're going to multiply that side by 8. This will cancel these out, and you are just left with m now. My pen is moving very slow today. M is 10 times 8 is 80. Okay? So there you go. That is how you do that one. 80. Okay. Let's look at another one. So now we got 14 equals d minus 43. Okay. So I'm going to write it again over here. 14 equals d minus 43. Okay. We need to get d all by itself, just like they did right here. So I need to do the opposite of subtracting 43, which would be the opposite of that would be adding 43. Saying I gotta do it on this side too, though. Add 43. So now I got 57 equals d. I got d all by itself, which is what you want. Okay, pretty simple. What did I say, 57? Okay, let's go to some harder ones. All right. So you just got to remember, you always do the opposite of what the operation is currently. So let me show you this one. My pen. All right, so we got 840 equals 30 times m. Okay, so you need to do the opposite of 30 times m, so you got to do divide by 30. The opposite of multiplication is division. These cancel out, but you got to do this side divided by 30. So 840 divided by 30. Well, let's think, how many times does 3 go into 84? It goes into 84, let's see, that's 26 times, right? I think. I haven't had my morning coffee yet, so 1868, nope, not right. I was way off, holy moly. Racer, where are you? Okay. Sorry, come on. Come on. Okay. That is 28, I think. Whoa. That's 6. There we go. So 28 times. I said 26. Come on. There we go. Okay. Oh man, this computer's slow today. Okay. So 28 times. So if 3 goes into 84 28 times, 30 goes into 840 28 times. So 28 equals m. And you know then that m is going to equal 28. Okay, so there you go. I want you to try to get 100% on this. Remember, I am counting these for a grade now. So if you get 10 out of 10, or if you get 100% over here, your SMART score, that is 100%. if you get 90%, 9 out of 10, 80%, 8 out of 10, right? One thing to keep in mind also, I don't think you guys have done this before, but if you have and you go to your main screen and it's going to say over here, you know, recommended skill by your teacher. And if you highlight over it and it already says 100%, you still just need to click on it and it'll reset back to 0. And then you do it again. Okay. So don't think if it says 100% already, you're like, oh, I'm done. I don't have to do today's assignment. Yes, you do. Click on it. It'll reset back to 0 and then you can do it again. All right. Hope you all have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions. I am going to go play Super Mario right now. Just kidding. I'm not going to. Have a good day.